In this question, we are told that a standard football field is 57,600 square feet. We are asked to convert this into square yards and round 2 decimal places. Let's begin with the 57,600 square feet we are given. We multiply this by a fraction to change to what we need. We place that on the top. Since we are asked for square yards, we'll place square yards on the top. Since we already have square feet, we'll place square feet on the bottom. Now you might already know that 1 yard is the same as 3 feet. We place 1 next to yards and 3 next to feet. However, if the units are squared, we raise both of these numbers to the second power. So we'll place a second power on both the 1 and the 3. Therefore, our answer will be 57,600 times 1 squared divided by 3 squared. However, Excel can handle this without too much difficulty. Our square feet were 57,600. Our conversion factor to go from square feet to square yards was 1 squared divided by 3 squared. We'll say equals 1. We'll place shift 6 for the exponent symbol. And we'll say 2 afterwards to say 1 raised to the second power. Press slash to divide, and now say 3, shift 6 again to get the exponent symbol, again to the second power. This gives us 1 squared over 3 squared. This gives us our conversion factor. Now, our new square yards will be those two numbers multiplied by each other. We'll say equals B1, shift 8 to multiply, and click B2. Our new square yards are 6,400. We can click back on our answer and increase the number of decimal places if we want to add them. We get 6,400.00 square yards. We write square yards as yards with a second power on it. Now for part B, we convert this to acres. We multiply by a new fraction. We need acres as our answer, so we'll place that in the top position. We already have yards squared. We'll place that in the bottom position. Now we can use a search engine to help us convert from acres to square yards. So in the search engine, I will type 1 acre to square yards. In 1 acre, we have 4,840 square yards. I will place the 1 next to acres on the top, and 4,840 next to square yards on the bottom. Let's now place this in Excel and let Excel do this math for us. I already have the correct number of square yards in B3, so now all I need to do is multiply by the conversion factor that will change my square yards to acres. The conversion factor was 1 divided by 4,840. We'll say equals 1 divide 4,840. Now to find my new acres, I'll multiply B3 times B4. We'll say equals, click the square yards in B3, shift 8 to multiply, and click the conversion factor in B4. My number of acres is 1.322,31405, and I will click this button in the number section to decrease the number of decimal places until we have only 3. We'll have 1.322 for our new number of acres. Therefore, we can say that a football field is 1.322 acres. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.